Well, hello again, my friends. So, I just want to do a quick update on the USACC build. This will probably be the last update. Not sure. Might do one. So, yeah, so this is kind of what I'm going for. It's kind of a NASCAR look. I'm going to be widening the rear fender. I actually wasn't going to go with fenders at first, but the more I put it together, the more I kind of liked it. So I'm going to actually be widening these back, bring them forward like this, just because I really want it to encompass that whole wheel. So this is from an S10 model. And then I'll blend this in the corner here. Probably shave it down right there. And then let me take the cab off. Okay, so what this is going to do is this whole front end is going to tilt up like this. And that'll expose the motor. And then, so what I've got here is I actually used, so this hood, this yellow hood, is actually from a 18th scale Corvette. So I went along and scribed it out to match the existing fenders. And then cut the front end of it off. And so right now what I'm doing is molding it into that front end. This is all going to be trimmed off. So it's going to be flat across here. And then this is, I flipped around. It's from an old 442 hood. And it was the scoops that go on there. And I flipped it around to be more of a fresh air intake. And so what's going to happen is this is going to have two hoses that come down. And they're going to go into the cab of the truck. And then, or I might have for the motor. I'm not exactly sure yet. So I'm still kind of figuring that one out. And then what will happen is the roll bar, of course, will be in here. And they'll come down here. I don't think I'm going to put anything flat back here. Because I'm going to have the roll bar come back. And there's going to be some support going everywhere. And that sort of thing. Surprisingly, the original motor out of that kit has this notch in it. And that's exactly what I need for this suspension, for this frame. So I think I'm just going to use the original motor that came with this kit. And then, so I've been doing a lot of work on the cab itself. It's going to actually keep a lot of this detail. But I think what I'm going to do is sand it down and make it all smooth. And the reason I'm thinking about that is because when you look at a NASCAR body, have any kind of door lines, or at least the newer ones. So I'm kind of on the fence about that. I'm not sure yet. So there's the frame. Nothing special there. I'm going to be modifying this base here to fit underneath the original base. Because what I'm going to have to do on this is, in order to get that seat to fit in there right, is this is going to have to be, I'm going to have to cut out this whole section of seat and then drop it down to here so that the seat can sit lower, since I chopped it and sectioned it. So that's my update, guys. Enjoyed it? Got any questions? Please leave a comment down below. And I'll have a link to my other two videos, and that shows how I did the chop and how I did the section. And I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.